In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off WhatsApp while mobile data is on. Maybe you want to stay online for browsing or maps, but you don't want WhatsApp messages and calls coming through. I'll show you two reliable ways to do that on an Android phone, and I'll explain what each option does so you can pick the one that fits your needs. Start by opening your phone's settings. This is the main System Settings app, usually represented by a gear icon. From here, look for the section labeled Apps, App Management, or Applications, depending on your device's wording. Open that, then find and select WhatsApp from the list of installed apps. You're now on the Apps Info page, which is where all the controls for WhatsApp Live. If you need an immediate temporary stop, use the Force Stop button. Tap Force Stop, then confirm if you're asked. This shuts down WhatsApp right away, closes background processes, and prevents it from sending or receiving anything until you open the app again. It's a quick fix when you want silence without turning off mobile data for everything. Just remember, the moment you manually open WhatsApp later, it will start working again and new messages will come in. If your settings menu looks a little different, that's okay. You can also get to the same place by going to settings, then apps, then selecting WhatsApp. Different phones may place this menu under slightly different names, but the destination is the same: WhatsApp's app info screen. For a more controlled ongoing pause that keeps the app quiet in the background, stay on this app info page and tap mobile data and Wi-Fi or data usage, whichever your phone shows. Inside this section, look for the background data setting and toggle it off. With background data disabled, WhatsApp won't use mobile data in the background. That means no incoming notifications, messages, or calls while you're not actively inside the app. If you open WhatsApp on screen, it will connect and sync. When you close it, it goes quiet again. This is handy if you want to browse or stream with mobile data, but keep WhatsApp from interrupting you. A couple of tips to keep in mind. Menu names can vary slightly by device brand and Android version, so focus on the idea of reaching WhatsApp's app info and then its data settings. You can undo either choice at any time by reopening WhatsApp after a forced stop or by turning background data back on when you're ready to receive messages again.